Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to do the frog front lever. About a day ago I did a video where I did it, where you saw me coffee grinding and flexing and then ending with the frog front lever. Wasn't at a really good angle, so I chose to do this angle instead with the camera that I'm using. Basically what it's going to be is I'll show you all the progressions like in all the previous videos for the front lever. You will see me go into the front lever hold. You're curled up. Then I'll go into the front lever tuck or advanced tuck. And then I will show you how I'll go into the next progression, the frog front lever. Now basically what it's going to be like is it's going to show my legs and they're going to be going into almost like a diamond shape in suit with my body. And basically it will give you the frog leg look. And I'll get to show you guys from kind of an aerial perspective of what that will look like when you do the move. So we'll go ahead and go through the beginning progressions and then I'll go into the frog front lever for the finish. Alright. Like so. We grab our bar, ready to do our static holds. Curl, come up, like so. Then we'll go into the front lever tuck, like so. And then we open the legs. Go back to your hold. Bring the legs in. Oh. All right. And that is how you do the frog front lever. And if you haven't yet, guys, like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.